Welcome to Cardinals Nation. It's the World Series, baby. Prince E. When you feel it in your heart and you know it in your brain, if you don't believe me, I'ma show you in the game. Yeah, I'ma show you how we came. When the clock's ticking down, I'ma show you our name. It's the Cardinals. Them Texans messing with the wrong crew. The Redbirds, they next stop is nest food. Rangers gon' need more than a gun and badge. If they get them cards, won't get up in that ass. Get it by the, yeah, we can't lose. Who else you know could turn a breakdown into a breakthrough? Yeah, we was way down, they was sleeping on us. Critics said we was finished and we need the forfeit, but we never stopped reaching towards it. And then boom, we went from mediocre to the meteoric. Now we soaring and the people roaring. The whole city wearing red and white. Every night we supporting the home team. Make some noise for the whole team. St. Louis World Series, this is our game. Our call to greatness, to take the trophy and carve our name in it. Cardinals Nation, what?
You thought we would die, you thought we would make it. Thought you just could forget the Cardinal Nation. But now we're better than ever. Now we got our game together. Been through the storm and all the bad weather, but now we're ready to
St. Louis, yeah, Prince E. We scorched.